You can be arrested and prosecuted for serious sex crimes just for role-playing on the internet. Hello, I'm Patrick Clancy, Innocence Legal Team founder and chief strategist. If you have been arrested or under investigation for arranging a meeting with or sending harmful matter to a minor for sexual purposes, or attempting to do so, you need the best legal help available. The Innocence Legal Team has been defending people against such prosecutions for almost as long as there has been an internet. The California legislature has enacted laws enabling decoys to snare hundreds, if not thousands, of innocent individuals who had no intention of meeting a minor, meaning no actual minors were involved at all. Because no minor is involved, it is factually impossible to be accused of child molestation. But factual impossibility is not a defense to an attempt. How serious is this? In the state of California, attempt carries 1/2 of the sentence for the underlying offense. Lewd acts with a minor under the age of 14, Penal Code Section 288A, carries a sentence of 8 years in prison. Therefore, attempted lewd acts with a minor under the age of 14 carries 4 years in the state prison. During these chats with police decoys posing as minors, a suspect may engage in cybersex role-playing. For such conversations, a suspect can be charged with attempting to send harmful matter to a minor. The law would not normally consider a conversation, written or verbal, to be matter at all, but prosecutors have successfully argued that such conversations represent a transfer of electronic information and that it indeed does constitute matter and therefore harmful matter. Courts have consistently refused to extend First Amendment free speech protections to such interactions. Punishment for a first offense can be imprisonment for up to 1 year in county jail and a fine of $1,000. Subsequent offenses carry a maximum of 3 years. However, prosecutors can charge separately for each interaction, leading to lengthy sentences. Police decoys will also generally ask suspects to send images, which can also be considered harmful matter. These requests can escalate with a decoy requesting more and more explicit photographs depicting nudity and/or sex acts involving minors. Transmitting such images may constitute child pornography and also lead to charges of child exploitation. If tried as a felony, a child pornography conviction sentence will range between 16 months and 8 years. Fines can be as high as $100,000. Conviction for any of these offenses requires registration as a sex offender, which is accessible to the public. This can cause loss of your reputation and career. The Innocence Legal Team has long experience in dealing with and winning just such cases.